Alright again, peeps. I haven't done one of these gear list videos for a while. Reason I'm doing this is about a week's time I'm going to France with my family for a week. I think somewhere near Bordeaux, sort of around that area. And the only reason I wanted to go was on the condition that I could go out and maybe do a little bit of wild camping and some walking and stuff. So my old doc was like, yep, that's fine, okay. If you want to take camping gear, they allow an extra bag, but they charge like 30 quid, and it's a 20 kilo maximum limit to go in the hold. So I'm going to show you what I've roughly going to pack, and we'll put it all in the rucksack and weigh it and see if we're within a 20 kilo limit. Now, of course, bearing in mind, on each camp or walk that I do, I'm not going to be carrying all of this stuff, because I've got a choice of shelters that I'm going to take as well, just so I don't get too bored, because you know what I'm like. I like my variety. There's a couple of items I'm not too sure whether I'm going to be able to take. I mean, you can, you know, of course, it's going in the hold of the plane, so you can, apparently, as far as I'm aware, you can take food, for example, because it's going to be in the hold. But things like a penknife, not too sure about. A small pair of scissors in my first aid kit, not too sure about, because they will scan the bag, so we'll see anyway. But yeah, as long as they don't give me an anal cavity inspection because they think I'm a terrorist or something, we'll see. Anyways, right, let's have a look and see what we've got. Starting off with the rucksack, it's my Osprey Talon 33 litre. Seems to do the job for most of my stuff really, so I'll be using that to keep it all in. Shelters, for a tent, I'm thinking of taking my OEX Fox 1, purely because it's compact, it's very lightweight, it's about 1.5, maybe a little bit less because I use lighter pegs. I've got my new Rab Survival Zone bivvy bag. It's nice and compact, once again lightweight, it's just a normal bivvy bag. My Rab Ridge Raider hooped bivvy, once again it's very light, about 1.1 kilos tops. And then for sleeping, I've got my Cumulus Down sleeping bag. It's like something like between 650 and 800 grams. Down bag, about 3 season you can push it to. Silk cocoon sleeping bag liner in it, and like a plastic bag, you know, that you can line your rucksack with. I have my Fulcrum EV inflatable pad by OEX. It's my favourite pad at the moment. So comfy. Tyvek ground sheet and an aluminium ripstop ground mat, reflects your body heat. Underneath it all is this yellow Terra Nova laser foam sleeping pad. It's really thin. I just have it underneath the inflatable just to stop it getting punctured. Got my OEX compact pillow. Then onto food and water. Seeing as I'm going to be going to France, I have this menu number 1 French ration pack. It's just like an MRE. I have a MRE, sorry, menu 18 beef ravioli and meat sauce. I've reviewed that one before, so probably won't do a review video on that while I'm out there. And then I've got this one, a Canadian IMP menu 6 baked beans. Not reviewed that one, looking forward to it. I thought, sort of French, you know, the Canadians speak a bit of French Canadian, loose French connection there. For water, I'll be taking 2 empty 1 litre Nalgene bottles. Of course, I'll get water when I'm there, so that saves on the weight for the plane. Then for like extra clothes, like spare stuff, I mean, of course I'll have spare clothes in my other luggage as well, but for like camping and stuff, we've got just a Monte Minimus very small ultralight packable rain jacket, a little Rab beanie hat in case it gets a bit nippy at night, a little OEX short sleeve thermal top, some spare walking socks, a pair of I think like Decathlon thermal leggings to sleep in at night, once again if it's a bit nippy, a little Rab like wind veil, like sort of a windproof little pullover jacket. It's all going to be in the Thermarest stuff sack pillow, so it's a you know, bag that stores all my spare clothes. You turn it inside out, stuff it with spare clothes, and you got yourself a nice little pillow to go with the OEX one as well. I do like my creature comforts, I'm afraid. Got an OEX microwave head net. That's to go with the Rab Survival Zone bivvy, because my face will be out. There could be some little biters out there. On to like little odds and ends. Oh yes, sorry, I completely forgot. I've also got a Lithuanian MRE, menu number 1, that I'm going to be taking out there as well. Completely forgot about that. Little basic medical kit that I made myself, and it has got a small pair of scissors in it, so not too sure if I'm going to be able to take them or not. Got some insect repellent spray, some like Jungle Formula roll-on insect repellent, little small Tower Factor 30 sun cream, small pack of tissues, some like concentrated fruit juice mix, because I don't like plain water. I've got a new selfie stick and a little gorilla tripod thingy-mabob, and a little micro muff just to muffle any wind on my phone camera, which of course I'm filming with at the moment. And I'm also using my new telescopic tripod at the moment. That'll be coming with me as well. Little microfiber towel that clips onto the outside the bag. Outkit titanium spork. My beard comb. Yeah, need to brush it now. Little bit of a metrosexual modern man grooming. Some wet wipes. You definitely need wet wipes in the outdoors now. For power, to recharge my phone and cameras and whatnot, I've got 2 battery packs, a small one and then sort of a larger one that lasts longer, the respective USB cables for them, and I'll bring the plugs as well, though you probably need adapters in France, I think, to charge those up in the cottage that we're staying in. For what else have we got? Some little extra odds and ends. I've got a couple of little soap filled Brillo pads just to clean up my pots. My through night head torch is pretty powerful. 2 batteries as well. Dildo battery from a sex shop online. Honestly, that's where I got it from. Some lip seal. I've got a little yellow thing's just a repair kit for my inflatable sleeping pad. Some waterproof, windproof matches and a striker. Little button compass. Spare battery for the little through night T10 like flashlight lamp. Some Oasis water purification tablets. 2 little bits of toilet roll from a US MRE. A Light My Fire ferro rod striker thingamabob. Little plastic Ziploc bag, I'll keep it all in. A little through night TI3 little light with 2 spare AAA batteries. Some normal matches. Then a small little bottle of multi-purpose soap and a small little bottle of hand sanitizer. A lighter. The penknife in question, as I say, don't know if I'm going to be able to take that or not. I mean, I could try and hide it in the sleeping bag and stuff, you know, in layers, but who knows. I could end up causing quite a bit of trouble if they get stopped and they find that, so I don't really know. For stoves, for cooking, I've got a little BCB like Fire Dragon stove, which is like a solid fuel stove basically, and some tin foil, a pack of solid fuel tablets, my Outkit titanium cook pot, comes in this little mesh stuff sack, and inside I've got a little Outkit mug as well, some more tin foil, another tub of waterproof, windproof like storm matches. In there is just like a little emergency stove I always carry. It's a little mini titanium Esbit stove, some solid fuel Esbit tablets for it, some wet fire tinder, oh, and another paper book of matches. I've got my little Outkit Kraku gas stove now. I've got some gas canisters arriving in the post. I didn't know you could send them in the post, by the way, but apparently the eBay shops I buy from seem to send them through the post. I've got them, a couple of those arriving, so I might take those, but once again I don't know whether they're going to allow me to take gas canisters on the plane. Honestly, like, this is going to be one of the dodgiest, like, you know, like loadouts, like going through like customs and going through the airport security. You know, I might potentially have gas canisters, stuff for lighting fires, a penknife, you know, liquids like soap and stuff, scissors, you know, a beard comb. It's going to be interesting, so wish me luck anyway, fingers crossed. I don't get my arsehole inspected, or yeah, should all fit in there. So I'm going to get that in there in a minute and we'll weigh it, see what it comes out to. As I say, 20 kilos is the maximum limit for the bag to go in the hold on the plane. And then, as I say, I'll carry sort of different bits each day when I'm there. If I get there, you know, they might not let me in the country with some of this stuff, so we'll see. But yes, I've got 3 different choices of shelters, so I thought that should be pretty good. You know, if it's going to rain, you know, I can take the OEX Fox 110. If it's going to be nice weather, you know, like really nice, I can take the Rab Survival Zone. If it's something in between, or I just want to go really lightweight and still be fairly comfortable, I've got the Rab Ridge Raider Hoop Bivvy. So winner winner chicken dinner, should be good. Right, I've just got everything packed into the Osprey Talon 33, coming out at 9.5 kilos, so I'm well within the 20 kilo weight limit for the plane. The only things that I couldn't fit in the rucksack were the Canadian IMP Rat Pack and the Lithuanian one. So what I'll do, I'll leave the Lithuanian one out and I'll take it on another wild camp and review it then. With the Canadian one, what I'm going to try and do is put it in my other luggage that's going in the hold on the plane, like with clothes and stuff like that. That should be fine anyway. So yeah, that's the plan anyway. So this is the kit you're going to see in use when I go to France, when I eventually get the video or videos posted from that when I get back and stuff. See how it goes with work and whatnot, how busy I am and that. So yeah, 9.5, I'm pleased with that. That's without water, of course, but that's got 3 different shelters in it. It's got 2 rat packs or MREs in it as well. Yeah, all in all, enough stuff for, you know, for a week in France. I'm going to aim to try and do 3 wild camps. So I've got three rat packs, so that'll be the plan. I'll have a rat pack for each wild camp. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it anyway. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you a few tips and stuff for equipment, or you know, maybe going sort of lighter with your kit, etc, etc. I do like doing these videos, and I'm a bit of a gear junkie. I do like all the lightweight stuff and the ultralight stuff. It can get a little bit over the top and overkill at times, but it definitely doesn't hurt, especially if you do a lot of walking and stuff as well as just wild camping, which is what I tend to do. I'm always walking as well, so I'm always thinking of trying to go as light and as comfy as possible, but without suffering. You'll see me again soon. Cheers for your support, everyone, much appreciated. I'll see you later. Bye.